Earlier this year, there were a few health fund updates in Gentu, so this will be a good opportunity to go and set your claiming defaults correctly for these health funds. These include Astute, which is a new health fund in the list, and should have the fee schedule set to St. Luke's. Frank Health Insurance is now under the GMHBA, and the fee schedule should be set to HSA. Likewise, Latrobe is now under HSA, and the fee should be set accordingly. A group of affiliated NIB health funds are now included in the list, and these will need to be set with your most common claiming scenarios. The NIB health funds are APIA, AAMI, Qantas, ING Health Insurance, Real Health Insurance, and Seniors Health Insurance. CDH has also changed their name to Hunter Health, and like I mentioned before, their fee schedule should be set to MBS plus 50. Whilst Credit Union Australia, or CUA, is now known as CU by HBF, and they use the HSA fee schedule. In your health fund list, if you have any that are listed as custom, you may want to go through and tidy these up, as these are not usually Eclipse enabled, unless your doctor has a special agreement with some health funds where Magentus has created a custom fund for your practice linked with a brand ID. By removing the custom health funds from your list, this avoids your team from accidentally selecting the custom fund when linking in the patient's file. To clean up the health fund list, click or hover your mouse over the health fund that has custom, and then click on the trash can icon. A pop-up will appear advising you of any existing patients linked. To transfer these patients, click on the drop-down and choose the other fund. Then click on Update. A small note, if you do not select a health fund to transfer the patients to, then the linked custom health fund name in the patient's record will simply be removed.